Radyo mo, radyo ko, radyo natin to. Ang istasyong tutulong sa'yo upang lumago ang kaalaman mo. Radyo Laguna, di ka pababayaan. Lalalago ang Laguna. Sulong edukalidad sa Laguna, angat ka.
Good morning, kids! You are listening to Radio Laguna and tune in to Play and Learn. Hello! Rise and shine, kids! Put your hands up and down, then shake it all around. With that, let's start the day right and bright. Once again, this is your storyteller, Teacher Jam Carada. I know you are all happy and very excited to hear our new story this morning. But before we start listening to the story, let me check if you are all sitting comfortably with proper ventilation and of course with a full tummy. Are you all set? Very good. Everybody is ready to listen to our exciting children's story. By the way, have you encountered a fairy in your dreams? Did you wish for anything from the fairy? Okay, this time I'll tell you a story about a girl named Jenny Lynn. Our story for today is about Jenny Lynn. But before we go on to the story, I want you to take note of the following questions I will ask you. So, what are you going to do is to listen very carefully to the story and get ready to answer the questions after. Are you ready, kids? Okay, for question number 1. Who is the girl in the story? Next question number 2. What happened to the girl in the story? Number 3. What Jenny Lynn do in this house? Question. Are you in favor in all the things that Jenny Lynn have done in her life? Okay, so did Jenny Lynn become happy after what happened to her? Now that you have already written the comprehension questions, be ready to listen to the story. The story is about Jenny Lynn. Have you heard the story? Maybe some of you may wonder why the story is entitled. So, listen very carefully and get ready to clear the questions on your mind. Okay, kids, are you ready? Let us now read the story. Okay, kids, very good. You have listened to the story, Jenny Lynn. So now, what do you think is the moral lesson from the story? Okay, yes, you are right. That's correct. That's true. You need to be contented with what all you have. Okay, so offer help without expecting anything in return. Wow, I am really glad that you understood the story, and I hope you enjoyed listening to the story. I hope all of you kids have learned so much today in our storytelling activity. Great job in listening. You are still tuned in to Play and Learn Radio Laguna. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Stay safe. This is Ma'am Jam Carada and signing off. Thank you.